Hello, I'm Anu from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about adding without carrying. So let's move forward and see the subtopics. We will be learning about adding 2-digit numbers and adding 3-digit numbers and adding by vertical method and horizontal method. Changing orders doesn't matter in addition. Adding of 3-digit numbers. So let's move forward and try these warm-up questions. For trying them, you can pause this video and try it out. And once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. These are the answers. Thumbs up for trying and congratulations if you're correct. Now let's get started with the topic. So the first topic is adding 2-digit numbers. So there's this question, we have to add 23 and 15 together. So let's get started. We will have to add the ones first. So the step 1 involves adding ones digit. So as we can see, 3 and 5 are ones digit. So we will be adding them together and writing down in the ones column. So 3 at 5 is 8. So we will write 8 in the ones column, and then we will move forward towards the tens column. So in tens column we have 2 and 1. So 2 add 1 makes a 3, so we'll write 3 in the tens column. Therefore, we will get 38 as the final answer. Now let's move forward and try adding 3-digit numbers. Well, it is just like adding 2-digit numbers. We have to add the ones, the tens, and then we will move forward and add the hundreds. So let's get started with the question. So step 1 is adding the ones digit. So the ones digit are 4 and 3. Therefore, 4 add 3 makes a 7, so we will put 7 in the ones column. And then we will move ahead towards the tens column. So as we can see, 1 and 8 lies in the tens column, so 1 add 8 makes a 9. So we will write 9 in the tens column. Then we will move ahead and try the hundreds column. We have 3 and 3 in the hundreds column. So 3 add 3 makes a 6. So we will put 6 in the hundreds column. So the final answer that we get is 697. Now let's move forward towards the next topic, which is adding by vertical method and horizontal method. So let's see what these methods are. So vertical method. In vertical method, we arrange in vertical columns according to the place values and then add them together. And if you notice, we did this method for our previous question. This is vertical method. Now let's see what is horizontal method. Well, horizontal method is adding the given question in horizontal arrangement only, like this one. So we'll try out this question. We will add the ones together just like we did in the case of vertical method. So ones are 5 and 3. So 5 add 3 makes an 8. We'll put an 8 here. And then we will add 4 and 4 together as they lie in the tens column. So 4 add 4 makes an 8 again. Then the hundreds column, 3 add 6. So 3 add 6 is a 9. So 9 in the hundreds column. So the final answer that we get is 988. So this is horizontal method. Now let's move forward towards the other topic, which is changing order doesn't matter in addition. So when the order of number is changed, they add up to the same number. That means the result will always be same. We will take an example to prove it. So we have to add 50 and 24 together. So in the first arrangement, we have written 50 on the first place and then add 24. In the second arrangement, we have written 24 first and then 50. Now let's do the additions and check our answers. So we will begin with the ones column. 0 add 4 makes a 4. Then 5 add 2 makes a 7. So the answer is 74. Now we will move ahead and try this question. Begin with the ones column. 4 add 0 makes a 4 and 2 add 5 makes a 7. So if you notice, we got both the results as 74. That means we can say that adding numbers in any order doesn't matter. Now let's move ahead and try this thing. Adding three numbers. So we have three two-digit numbers, 23 add 15 add 31. Let's see how we can add them together. So we will arrange all of them in the vertical method, that is arranging the digits according to the place values. So we will add the 3, 5 and 1 together as they lie in the ones column. So 3 add 5 makes an 8, 8 add 1 is 9. So we will write 9 here. And then we will add the tens column. 2 add 1 add 3. 2 add 1 is 3 and 3 add 3 is 6. So we will write 6 in the tens column. So the final answer is 69. Now let's move forward and try a worded problem. So this is a worded problem on addition of two-digit numbers. So let's read. A boat is carrying 132 people. Another boat is carrying 127 people. In all, how many people are there in all the boats? So in this case, we have to find the total. And in order to find the total, we have to add these two numbers. So let's add them together. We will put the addition sign and then do the calculation. So once again, the ones column, 2 add 7, that makes a 9. We will write 9 in the ones column. Then 3 add 2 is equal to 5. 5 in the tens column. And then 1 add 1 makes a 2. So 2 in the hundreds column. So the final answer is 259. Therefore, there are a total of 259 people in the boats. Practice some questions. For trying them, you can pause this video and work them out. And once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. These are the answers. Thumbs up for trying them and congratulations if you are correct. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching it, and for more, please visit justtutors.com.